Lily told me we have a rabbit out here in the garden. There is a little tiny hole over here that I'm wondering if it's coming in. She said, you have a rabbit in your tomato beds, and she says it all calm. I think he's coming in right there. That is not okay. You little bunny rabbit, you go away.
Boo.
You are not the friend of the garden, I'll say that. What'd you see in the garden?
A rabbit.
Why did you come down so calmly and tell me? Why didn't you come down screaming, there's a rabbit in the garden?
I don't know, because I just woke up.
I would think that you'd come running down with fire flying behind your heels.
Yeah.
Right, Ollie? Right, Ollie? So the kids and I were going to mow the lawn yesterday, and we came out and got started and the belt broke on the lawnmower. So now that's another thing on the list. Aftermath of the beginning of the tree cutting. That entire mimosa tree is going to come down. There's going to be either some French doors or a sliding door that's going to go in right here onto a deck, and then the pool is going to go here instead of being out there. That was a great idea when we first moved here. We had all these different plans, and then we realized it would be really nice to walk out onto a deck. Yes, the roof is currently being worked on still, although we're real close. So this mess is stuff being tossed off. We got to a little bit of a problem, and so we may have to call some tree people in to help us with this tree, because this section right here is completely dead. But if we take it down, we're pretty sure it's gonna hit the house. So we're kind of feeling like we need somebody who knows exactly what they're doing and has the proper equipment. Really, it's the equipment. We need someone who has the equipment to come in and get that down without hitting either that power line that's right there or without hitting the roof and causing more work to be done. back to work?
No.